Hey, and welcome to Trading Nation, everybody. Thanks for being with us. I'm Brian Sullivan. Gina Sanchez of Chantico Global and Matt Maley of Miller Tabak are your Trading Nation brain trust today. All right, very simple question to both of you. Gina, I'll start with you. Will we get another record high for the S&P 500 before the year is out, or have we peaked for 2016?
I think we've peaked, Brian. I think there's still too much uncertainty left in the market. While there was definitely a response after the election just to finally get it done and over with, I think that response is largely done. And from now until the end of the year, the market is going to be looking for clues as to what's happening going forward. Our baseline assumption for what happens under a Trump presidency is still fairly moderate. It assumes a 1.8 to 2% growth rate, which would be okay, but not great. But there's still downside, and of course there's an upside, and we don't know which direction we're going yet. So I don't see the market really rallying with any real direction yet.
Okay, Matt, Gina says we've peaked. What say you?
Well, I would tend to agree, except that there is some potential, and it really has nothing to do with the Donald Trump election and what he might do in 2017. My feeling is that this is going to be a very key week. I mean, when you usually get a big spike like we got last week, the market pulls back a little bit to consolidate. But so far, we've only had a kind of a sideways consolidation. If it starts to creep further up from here, and if the bond market finally pulls back a little bit, if the bond market bounces a little bit, rates pull back, and give people a calm down a little bit in that market, that could give us a little bit impetus to the upside. And the reason I think that is that one of the things at the very end of any year is performance fear can make people do things, institutional investors, do things that they don't normally do. If the market looks like it's breaking out, they're going to go with it no matter what they think might happen in a Trump presidency. So the potential is there. We got to be nimble a little bit. But I would tend to agree with Gina that the upside is somewhat limited with that one caveat.
All right, Matt Maley and Gina Sanchez, a good look there at the markets. Gina says we peaked. Matt says most likely we peaked. We're going to hold you guys to it. Thank you very much. All right, thanks for watching Trading Nation, everyone. I'm Brian Sullivan. We'll see you next time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.